Noology consists the term of two roots, two words. Nous, Greek word nous, and logy, logic, logos, that is the science of teaching. So the noology is the teaching of nous. What is the nous in Greek? That is very, very serious word, and if you try to translate it, it is in Russian it could be in Russian. It is intelligence, intellect. It is as well mind, other soul, thought, мысль, thought. Or it could be a kind of consciousness. In German, Bewusstsein. Bewusstsein. Just something that deep, that lays at the depth of the human thought. But what is human? Human is the being that is different from any other beings in the world by one thing. It is thinking being. So every other qualities we share with other beings. But thought is the same as to be human, to be thinking. Thinking creature, thinking being is human. So the thought is the human. To think is human. We have bodies, we have kind of instincts or some pains or suffering or joy, but the other creatures as well have the same. But nobody except us and the living world have thought. So the thought or nous is the essence of the man. The man is thought. All the rest is man, and not only. But the thought is the only aspect of man that makes us human. To be human is to be thinking. So the nous, as a kind of thought and mind, is the deepest root of human being, of humanness, of mankind. We are human because of thinking, because of nous. We are ourselves because there is the nous. Without nous, no human. Without no human, not us. So we are human because there is the nous. So thinking about the nous, noology, trying to explore noology, it's the same as to explore ourselves. It's not the kind of alienated object. To think about nous, it is the same as to think about us, about our deepest nature. It is not abstract, so it is a kind of introspection. We are speaking, we are learning our depth. So we are learning humanness of human beings. That is the nous. But we could present human being from different point of view, and noology present human being from one point of view, from its essential point of view. So it is the study of the thought as such. That is very, very important. And noology as well is philosophical basis of multipolarity. Why multipolarity? Because the idea of noology is that there is not only one kind of thinking, universal and common for all humanity, that there are differences. So when we try to study nous, the intellect, the mind, the thought, carefully, we discover how much the process of thinking depends on culture. If you are thinking in one culture, you think in one way.